Hi, this is the VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the settings application, then tap to the sound and vibration. To activate silent mode, you should click on the switcher, mode switcher. To turn it off, you should click on the switcher once again. When the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications, they are muted, as you can see. Just to turn off to the silent mode, you should unmute the ringtone volume panel. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and somewhere here find the silent mode icon. Just tap on this icon to activate silent mode or to turn off this option by this way. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.